This is the MxEol cam latch. So this product is made of 316 heavy duty stainless steel. Really solid, really stable. It has this beautiful finish, mirror polish on the top. So really easy to use, just like pull, and actually this one locks. So you just unlock this one and then the handle will come and you can actually activate the old piece. If we look on the back, this is the back of the piece. You'll have two keys hanging on this side, and just to set it up, very easy. You just bring this inside the door of your inside the hole of your door. Then you place this one on the back and screw it tight with the two screws provided in the pack. That's it. We can see also here we have on each of those parts a blocking screw that you can also make it really tight with. That's it. Regarding the size, we have on the outside we have about 2.5 inch, and also the one we want to look at is the inside diameter. So you need on your door a 2-inch diameter hole to be able to fit this one in. This piece, you can order it, you can order just one or two. Thank you very much, and enjoy this product.